Here you can see the postcard I've got of Hull in 1642, and I've attached these brads which poke through to the back and attach to the back of the crocodile clips, and then they attach to the Makey Makey here, and also attached is this grey wire which is the ground wire. And if I hold one end of this wire here and then touch one of the brads, let's say this one on the River Hull here.
This is the River Hull. Ships used to sail up here and unload their cargo.
A recording that I made earlier for the programme is played using the laptop. Try another one, this one just outside the city walls.
This area, outside the city walls, was where Hull's first dock was built.
And the way this works is it detects changes in resistance. At the moment the air is between the crocodile clip connected to ground and the one connected to this brad. But if I put my body in between there, the sound will play.
This area, outside the city walls, was where Hull's first dock was built.
This, the Makey Makey board detects that change in resistance, sends a signal to the laptop, and then I've programmed the laptop using Scratch to play the sound.